نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson 17. In this lesson we will learn Mubtada and Khabar. These short sentences that we are learning are called Mubtada and Khabar. So the grammar name for these sentences is Mubtada Khabar. For example, Hamidun Alimun. We have studied this sentence. Hamidun Alimun. Hamid is an alim. So the word Hamid is Mubtada and Alim is Khabar. Hamidun Alimun. The word Hamid is Mubtada and Alim is Khabar. We used to say the first word and the second word. So now we know the name of these words. The first word is Mubtada and the second word is Khabar. So Hamid is Mubtada and Alim is Khabar. Khalidun Qawiyun. Khalid is strong. Khalidun Qawiyun. Khalid is strong. Khalid is Mubtada and Qawiyun is Khabar. Khalidun is Mubtada and Qawiyun is Khabar. Allahu Rabbun. Allah is Lord. Allah is Mubtada and Rabbun is Khabar. Allah is Mubtada, Rabbun is Khabar. Ar-Rasul Sadiqun. The messenger is truthful. So in this one, Ar-Rasulu is Mubtada, Sadiqun is Khabar. Ar-Rasulu Mubtada, Sadiqun is Khabar. So these sentences are called Mubtada Khabar. Now we know the name Mubtada Khabar. So if you tell someone who knows the grammar rule of Arabic, if you tell them that this is Mubtada Khabar sentence, he or she will understand that what type of sentence is this. So this is Mubtada and Khabar. So remember, Mubtada stays Ma'rifah. Mubtada stays Ma'rifah and Khabar stays Nakira. So Mubtada is Ma'rifah and Khabar is Nakira. And we studied in the previous lesson about Ma'rifah and Nakira. So remember this, Mubtada is Ma'rifah and Khabar is Nakira. Muhammadun Rasulun. Muhammadur Rasulun. Muhammad is a messenger. Sallallahu alayhi wasallam. So in this sentence, Muhammad is Mubtada and Rasul is Khabar. So Muhammad is Mubtada, Rasul is Khabar. And Mubtada is Ma'rifah and Khabar is Nakira. Remember, Mubtada is Ma'rifah and Khabar is Nakira. Muhammadun is Mubtada and Mubtada stays Ma'rifah. Rasulun is Khabar and Khabar stays Nakira. Al-Insanu Abdun. Insaan is a slave. Insaan is a slave. Al-Insanu Abdun. Insaan is a slave. Al-Insan is Mubtada. Abdun is Khabar. And Mubtada is Ma'rifah and Khabar is Nakira. So Al-Insan is Mubtada and Mubtada stays Ma'rifah. And Abdun is Khabar and Khabar stays Nakira. So let's learn new words. Kabirun, big. Kabirun, big. Saghirun, small. Saghirun, small. Nasun, people. Nasun, people. Qawmun, tribe or nation. So the word qawm can be used for tribe, can be used for nation, and also it comes for people. It depends on the context. Ahlun, household, family members. So Ahlun, household, family members. So let's practice. Walidun kabirun. Walid is big. Walidun kabirun. Walid is big. Mahmudun saghirun. Mahmud is small. Mahmudun saghirun. Mahmud is small. محمود صغير في نفسه وكبير في الناس. Mahmud is small in himself and big in the people. So محمود صغير. Mahmud is small في نفسه, in his self, meaning in his nafs, meaning himself. وكبير and big في الناس, in the people. So محمود صغير. Mahmud is مبتدا and صغير is خبر. محمود is مبتدا, صغير is خبر. الولد صغير في قومه وكبير في أهله. The boy is small in his tribe and big in his family. So الولد صغير, the boy is small في قومه, in his tribe. وكبير في أهله, and big in his family. So الولد صغير, the boy is big في قومه, in his tribe. وكبير في أهله, and big in his family. So the word الولد is مبتدا, صغير is خبر. الولد is معرفة, صغير is نكرة. So الولد is مبتدا and صغير is خبر. So remember these type of sentences. They are called mubtada and khabar sentence. So inshallah in the future we'll study them in the Quran. So let's review. Muhammadun Rasulun. Muhammad is a messenger. Muhammad is mubtada and Rasul is khabar. Mubtada is ma'rifa and khabar is nakira. Muhammadur Rasulun. Muhammad is a messenger. Sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Muhammad is mubtada. Mubtada is ma'rifa. Rasulun is khabar and khabar is nakira. Al-insanu abdun. Insaan is a slave. Insaan is mubtada. Abdun is khabar. And mubtada is ma'rifa and khabar is nakira. So remember the name of this type of sentence. The name is mubtada and khabar. So the rules to memorize: mubtada stays ma'rifa and khabar stays nakira. The first word of the sentence, the one we have learned, the first word is mubtada and the mubtada stays ma'rifa, and the second word is khabar and that is nakira. So new words to memorize: kabirun, big; saghirun, small; nasun, people; qawmun, tribe; ahlun, family. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.